Hey, welcome to my channel. I'm glad you could make it. Today's lesson is actually pretty simple, but it will definitely give you more control over your lines and shading. Let me explain. Most artists start out by holding their pencil like this, in what I like to call the choke grip, with the fingers wrapped tightly around the pencil, hand planted firmly on the table. Now, this might be great for writing, but for drawing, not so much. Let me show you why. When you keep your hand in this fixed position, it really limits how much you can move. And, as you can see, by using this method, I've acquired a maximum drawing travel of 1.2 inches. But here's a couple of quick fixes. To draw longer lines, with equal control, place the side of your right hand on top of your left and readjust the pencil height to around about halfway. This will give you the ability to draw longer, straighter lines with the same amount of control. And by repositioning your right hand on top of your left, you'll also be able to draw curved lines with much more ease. Now I know this next position seems simple, but I'd just like to add a few more tips on top to make sure you get the best results out of using this drawing method. If not the scariest position for all beginner artists, lifting the hand off the table, but this is where pencil grip becomes especially crucial. By sliding our hand up the pencil and placing our index finger on the outside, smooth and controlled, yet with the ability to attack expressive lines. This particular grip position can also be used for shading, as I'll demonstrate. As we shade different tonal values from dark to light, we have eliminated any unnecessary pressure pushing down on the pencil, with the resulting shading being more uniform, giving a less scratchy appearance on the paper, and can cover greater distances with relative ease. If this short demonstration video was helpful to you, feel free to subscribe and maybe give the video a little thumbs up. It's a small way to support the channel and it helps me share the various tips I've learned over the years. And remember, if you trust the process, you'll see the progress. Bye for now.